Look, when you clicked on this video, a decision came to mind. A decision that you're really struggling to make. And it's causing you stress, frustration, anxiety. You just want to make this decision and you don't know which way is better. If you go down one road, what will happen? If you go down another road, what will happen? This indecision is wasting time, it's potentially wasting money. You've got the opportunity cost of staying where you are versus actually progressing down the road that you want to take. But this indecision is just holding you back. And in this video, we're going to talk about how you can make that decision with confidence. Look, this limbo of indecision is not a great place to be. I've been there so many times. I can say that I'm actually getting a bit better with making decisions. I'm not great, but I'm getting better and that's all that matters. But this indecision potentially could lead to your failure because you're wasting time whilst others are racing ahead. You're wasting money as you're just not actually moving anywhere. And a lot of people say that if you're not moving forward, then you're actually moving backwards. When you've got your own business or you're in personal development, there is no staying still. You're either moving forwards or you're falling behind. Look, one of the key things I have found in terms of making a decision that's difficult is looking at the worst case scenario and realizing that it's not actually that bad. Like my worst case scenario when I was choosing or deciding whether to start a business, my worst case scenario was just getting a job. Now that's not actually horrific. It's not the end of the world. And in any case, if my worst case scenario was that I started this business and it didn't work, think of all the lessons I would have learned. Think about all the experiences that I would have had leading up to that failure, leading up to that worst case scenario. I've already learned so much. I've grown as a person. And these are the things that you've got to look at. You've got to look at the worst case scenario, the lessons that you learn from this. Actually make the worst case scenario pretty good because you come out the other side a more developed individual. Look, I don't know what this decision is that you're trying to make, but I know that you are trying to make one. You might have wasted days, weeks, even months on a decision. I know I've done the same. But the thing is, you've just got to make this decision. You can't keep going around in this limbo of not moving forwards because you are falling behind. Other people are getting ahead of you. Your dream is moving further and further away the longer that you stay in this state of indecision for. So whatever that decision is that's on your mind right now as you're watching this video, I want you to go and make it. I want you to put in the steps needed to take action. Look, I know this has been quite a short video and this is more of like, it's less of like an educational video. This is more of just an urge for you to take action on this decision that is preventing you from achieving your dream life, whether it's choosing to start an online business. Let's say you've got a few ideas on business models, just go with one of them. Doesn't matter if 2 months down the line things still aren't working out. Think of the experience you will have got from those 2 months. And if a service-based business, an online business where you can travel, scale your income and reduce your hours to 2 to 4 working hours a day so you can focus on like the gym, personal development, hanging with your friends, then I've got a course that's perfect for you. It's going to guide you from step one to deciding on this business, deciding on your service, how to do sales, how to get new clients, how to build your portfolio, and then how to move to Thailand, how to build your dream life, how to reduce your working hours, what you need to know to get over this fear in your head that is holding you back from getting this dream lifestyle. I got customers who are already getting their first paying clients just from the first few days of being in this course. That's how strong and valuable this is. And what I want you to do is click the link below and get involved, because the longer that you wait, the longer you stay in this state of indecision for, the further your dream is becoming. All right, I hope this has been good, and whatever that decision is, I want you to take action on it right now. All the best, and I'll see you soon.